Once the fields are flooded, the water reel tractor moves through the bog, stirring the water and releasing the buoyant berries. Here in the fertile fields, the celery harvest relies on both skilled manual labor and advanced machinery. The harvest requires precision and speed. These cantaloupes are carefully selected and quickly loaded onto the moving trailer.
The key is keeping the rhythm steady like this. My arms are definitely getting a workout today.
The efficiency of the modern harvest relies on both machinery and the tireless effort of dedicated farm workers across the globe. This specialized harvester allows the team to process thousands of pounds of celery in a single day, showcasing the Once harvested, the fruit enters the processing stage. Our dedicated team ensures every cantaloupe meets the highest quality standards.
To meet the worldwide demand for cantaloupes, harvests must be executed with speed and precision, moving thousands of pounds of fruit each hour.
Heads up, another one coming over. I got this one, throw the next one higher.
Heads up, coming over.
Got it, thanks. Keep them coming.
This highly efficient method utilizes a mobile conveyor system, allowing the harvest crew to quickly move the freshly picked.
It's a blend of heavy machinery and skilled manual labor that brings these crops to market.
The harvest is in full swing. A massive green tractor pulls a heavy load of ripe cantaloupes. Once the bogs are flooded, the berries are ready for harvest. Mechanical scoopers and conveyor belts make quick work of loading them onto trucks for processing.
To harvest the berries, the bogs are flooded. Specialized machines churn the water, releasing the cranberries with
The cranberry plant thrives in this unique wetland environment. During the harvest, the bogs are flooded. The cranberry plant is a low-growing evergreen, flourishing in the acidic peat soil of a dry bog before the harvest begins.
Using large booms, the workers corral the buoyant berries into dense mats before they are transported for processing. From this height, the scale of the operation is clear. These vibrant red pools represent the annual crop.
A blend of human effort and specialized machinery allows the team to harvest these butternut squash quickly. The butternut squash harvest is a massive undertaking, relying on both modern machinery and skilled manual labor. Here at the processing facility, workers meticulously sort the butternut squash, ensuring only the highest quality produce makes it to market.
Keep an eye on the flow rate over there. We need to maintain this pace.
This specialized harvester moves efficiently down the rows, cutting the tall stalks and collecting the delicate Brussels sprouts. Harvesting utilizes specialized machinery. Workers rapidly pull the stalks, ensuring a swift and efficient process. The workers swiftly feed the stalks into the harvester's cutting mechanism, demonstrating the blend of precise manual. This specialized machinery, combined with the tireless efforts of the harvesting crew, allows for the rapid processing of thousands of Brussels sprouts per hour. The conveyor belt system allows the freshly picked Brussels sprouts to be quickly sorted right here in the field, ensuring peak freshness. Here in the U.S., Brussels sprouts production relies heavily on these massive harvesters, capable of collecting thousands. Once harvested, the Brussels sprouts are loaded directly into the trailer, where a worker ensures even distribution before transport. Here we see the highly efficient process of the celery harvest. Workers skillfully trim and pack the stalks directly onto the mobile conveyor belt. Celery production is a labor-intensive process, but specialized machinery helps these skilled workers bring the harvest to market faster.
The celery must be cut cleanly at the base before being quickly trimmed and placed on the conveyor belt to maintain freshness.
The celery harvest is a race against time, where skilled hands rapidly cut and convey the crisp stalks to the waiting processing machine.
This specialized equipment allows the crew to harvest with incredible efficiency.
Heads up, we need another crate ready on this side.
Once harvested, the celery is immediately fed into the machine, where mechanical rollers trim and clean the stalks with incredible precision. This sophisticated harvesting machine, pulled by the tractor, relies on the precision of the workers to quickly trim and load.
The harvest season is a critical time for pear production. These fresh green pears are carefully loaded onto trailers for transport.
The harvest continues as the farmer carefully empties the days reeled into the collection crates. The efficiency you see here is thanks to dedicated immigrant workers. The income they earn during the harvest season is essential for their livelihoods.
This rapid escalation in enforcement has significantly impacted local farming communities. The policy authorizes officers.
This state-of-the-art combine is a marvel of modern agriculture, capable of harvesting hundreds of bushels an hour.
Merchandise. Rice is a staple food for more than half of the world's population, particularly in Asia.
The cutting head neatly separates the grain, showcasing the peak of agricultural efficiency.
Utilizing modern techniques, the combine harvester efficiently collects the golden rice, ensuring a successful harvest from this vast field.
The vibrant colors here showcase the freshness of the ingredients, a testament to the hard work put in by the farmers who brought this food to our table.
Raking is a crucial step, gently lifting the dried hay into uniform windrows, which speeds up the baling process.
This documentary segment highlights the precise timing and effort required for the sunflower harvest, crucial for maximizing.
This specialized cutting head allows the combine to efficiently thresh the dried sunflowers, separating the valuable seeds. The rich soils of Ukraine yield an abundant harvest, crucial for global sunflower oil production.
The harvest is complete, and the sunflower seeds are moved into the massive silo for storage.
The walnut, one of the oldest tree foods known, is rich in omega-3s. These distinctive nuts are typically harvested in late summer and early autumn.
The mechanical shaker grips the trunk, vibrating the tree violently until the walnuts cascade onto the orchard floor. This mechanical shaker clamps firmly onto the trunk and vibrates at high frequency, causing the ripe walnuts.
This specialized machinery allows for incredibly efficient harvesting. The shaker clamps the trunk and vibrates into.
Global walnut production relies heavily on meticulous sorting. These workers ensure only the highest quality nuts reach the market.
The red onion harvest is a labor-intensive process, requiring skill and speed to ensure the crop is ready for market.
Keep them moving onto the truck. All right, next row is clear. Watch the quality on this side.
The harvest of green mangoes often requires careful manual labor, using ropes to lower the heavy baskets safely from the trees.
With their vibrant colors and sweet aroma, these mangoes are carefully picked and packed, ensuring peak freshness from the orchard to your table. The meticulous process of hand-picking ensures that only the highest quality mangoes are selected, a practice essential for
The mango harvest requires precision and speed, as farmers carefully select the ripest fruit before gently placing them in crates for transport.
The lotus root, freshly harvested, is the star of this comforting stew, slow cooked with tender meat and vegetables for a truly nourishing meal.
The finest lotus tea requires careful preparation, blending the green tea leaves with the fragrant petals.
Harvested at dawn, the lotus petals are infused to create this exquisite blend, a true taste of the region's agricultural heritage.
Modern agricultural techniques allow this harvester to clear acres of sweet corn in a single day.
Modern agriculture relies heavily on these combines, which can harvest vast cornfields in a fraction of the time.
Once the ginger is mature, typically after 10 months, the plants are pulled by hand and shaken to remove the excess earth.
The ginger harvest is labor-intensive, requiring skilled workers to carefully loosen the soil before pulling the valuable rhizomes by hand.
Once harvested, the ginger rhizomes are meticulously arranged on the rich soil to dry. The rhizomes are meticulously brushed and trimmed by hand, a testament to the dedication of the farm workers.
This tracking shot highlights the incredible efficiency of modern farming. These dedicated workers are crucial to bring.
The sheer scale of this operation highlights the immense effort required to meet the world's growing food demand.
When we look at the cranberry harvest, we have to ask ourselves, which is better, the modern approach or the traditional methods?
The precision of this team ensures a successful yield. We'd love to hear your thought on these traditional harvesting methods.